everyone. Today I'm going to share my individual project lighting system to you. I'm Wongpa Chen. And so let's introduce my product. My product is designed for the double light systems, which is mainly created by Arduino, and it has two functions, the yellow light function and the white light functions. And also it have two light switch to control the light functions, and you can turn on the light and turn off the light using this light switch. My product is designed in using in the table lamp and the ceiling lamp. So let's talk about the target user. And my target user is set to the students, teachers, and officer, which they need to face the paperwork and sit in front of the monitor whole days. My product is to provide a comfortable environment to them to do their work, and they can, and also it can reducing the damage and the tire of their eyes to working on the desk and sit in front of the monitors. So let's talk about components. I'm using breadboard to carry out the experience with the circuit design, and the Arduino UNO R3 is to control the components with the codes, and the resistor is to reducing the current flows to protect the components, and the two LED lights is the main functions of the lighting. And also the light switch is provide the functions of turn on the light and turn off the light, and also the wires to connect it with them, and the USB cable is provided a power supply function. So let's look at the model of the light system. You can see the pins is connected with the resistor and the LED light, and the slide switch is connected in the breadboard, and the Arduino UNO R3 connected the GND pins to the breadboard to provide the power supply, and you just using the USB cable, and you can do it with it, and you can use the function. And let's talk about the top coding part. And at the top of the part, this is to define each pin of it, and the second part is to define each pin usage of it for the pins and the LED. And final part is to reach the switch signal and write into the LED pins to connect, to make sure the controller can control the lights to turn off and turn on. And final is the delay for 0.01 seconds to increase the stability. So let's look at the video of the simulation. And you can see after the USB cable started, you can use the slide switch to turn on the light and turn off the light, and also the light is provided independently, and you can mix or you can just use the one light. And to conclude, the double light system is successful. That is successful to do that. And let's talk about the strengths and the difficulties. First, there is no testing bus. That means you is no problems when you're using the function of it. And also you can use the slide switch to control it with it, and this is the comfortable functions for the user. Just tap a switch and you can use the function. And the difficulties of the project is I cannot testing it in real life, that you cannot connect the components in real life, and you can see what it shows in real life. So let's look at the limitation and the improvement. The limitation of this project is I cannot testing it in real life to see how brightness it needs to lighting hold the room and hold the house, so that I cannot do a more extra function of it. And to have an improvement of it, I can add a potentiometer to adjust the brightness of night. And here is the reference page, and is the end of my presentation. Thank you.